Can I share 5 super weird AI side hustles with you guys? Seriously, I've been researching and testing out tons of new AI side hustles, and I've honestly found some that are downright bizarre. And this includes AI side hustles where people are making bank doing things like selling AI travel posters on Etsy, earning passive royalties from AI agents, and even becoming famous on social media with AI avatars. I'll also be sharing some of the exact prompts I've been using that you can steal and use for your own AI side hustles as well. And guys, this goes way beyond using tools like ChatGPT. There's some pretty cool AI tools in this one you probably haven't heard of before. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. But really quickly guys, just a disclaimer like I put in these videos, everything I'm sharing is based on my own personal testing and research and experiences as someone who's been testing out side hustles for over 7 years at this point. Results aren't guaranteed, but there's honestly some pretty creative and cool AI side hustles in this one that you probably haven't heard of yet, so I think you guys will enjoy. And with that in mind, let's get on to the AI side hustles. Alright guys, so the first AI side hustle I wanted to cover in this video involves selling AI prints and artwork on marketplaces like Etsy. And right now, clever side hustlers are making bank by selling AI-generated wall art and posters on marketplaces like Etsy. And the best part is that you can do the exact same thing and you can actually launch your own shop in about 30 minutes using the right AI tools and prompts, which I'm about to show you. So to get started, all you have to do is head over to Skywork AI and create an account with your email. Now, quick disclosure, this video is sponsored by Skywork AI, but I've been playing around with the tool. I honestly love using it, and that's why I feel comfortable with them sponsoring this video because I think it's one of the best AI workflows I've seen in a long time. Now, Skywork is a smart AI agent that is packed with features that can potentially make you money. But today we're going to focus on using its posters feature and how you can actually use this to create the artwork and posters we're going to sell on Etsy. All you have to do is click on posters and then describe the poster you want to generate. You can also upload a reference image, and Skywork is powered by Nano Banana and honestly creates some pretty amazing graphics. And let me show you a real world example here and how I plan on using Skywork to start selling on Etsy. So I found this cool Etsy shop that's selling nice travel posters, and they have quite a few sales, so I know this niche is working well. All I did was take one of their images and gave it to Skywork, and then I told it this prompt. Create a similar poster to the reference image. Make sure you keep the same styling as the reference image, but make this poster original and eye-catching. In about 30 seconds, its AI agent created this pretty cool Amsterdam poster which looks just as good, if not better, than the one that's already selling on Etsy and getting sales. The best part about this strategy is it works for pretty much any niche, and you can spy on successful Etsy sellers and then steal some of their best ideas and launch your own shop. Like, here's another example of a vintage Marlboro poster I made with Skywork, which honestly looks pretty neat, and I could see some guys buying this and putting it in their man cave or in their bedroom, and it actually, again, is a pretty decent niche, and it's getting sales on Etsy. And this might seem like a super easy side hustle, but again, the potential on Etsy is pretty immense. For example, the Etsy shop selling this travel poster has over 9,200 sales, so they've made some pretty decent income doing this. And now you can start the same kind of online business with Skywork even as a complete beginner. Now, for actually delivering these posters to your customers once they make a purchase, it's also fairly simple. And that's because you can work with a print-on-demand company like Gelato, which lets you upload your graphics to hundreds of products, including high-quality wall art and posters. And with Gelato, once you actually make a sale on Etsy, they'll manufacture and ship the poster and send it to your customer for you. This means you never have to worry about shipping, you never have to worry about logistics, and you can focus on using Skywork to keep creating awesome designs for your Etsy shop. Overall, it's a super simple workflow, and if you're looking to launch a new online business that leverages AI, I definitely recommend checking out Skywork. And since this video is sponsored, Skywork actually gave me an exclusive limited time discount for you guys, so you can click the link in the description to get 20% off and try it out yourself. Thanks again to Skywork for sponsoring today's video, and let's get on to some more creative AI side hustles. So the second weird AI side hustle I wanted to cover involves making AI influencers and then marketing them on social media. And for a quick example here, let me show you the profile of Aitana Lopez. So Aitana is an Instagram influencer with over 380,000 followers, and she reportedly makes 5 figures every single month with brand deals and affiliate income. But the crazy part is, guys, Aitana isn't real. In fact, she is completely AI generated, and she was actually created by a 100% AI modeling agency called The Clueless. Now, Aitana has still built up a pretty impressive following on Instagram by posting photos and lifestyle content. Really nothing that shocking for the world of Instagram. But guys, honestly, there are so many monetization layers here that are pretty impressive. For example, Aitana makes money with brand sponsorships, including some massive ones like Razer's gaming chairs. She also has an Amazon influencer storefront so people can shop for the products she promotes within her content. Aitana even has a fan view profile, which is absolutely insane. So people here can subscribe and see behind the scenes content and even chat with her, which again blows my mind because this is an AI character and not a human being. But the thing is, guys, this is just one popular example. If you spend time scrolling through Instagram or TikTok for even just a few minutes, you'll probably stumble across an AI creator with how popular this is becoming. And the thing is, they're also incredibly easy to create, and you don't have to be some kind of coding wizard or master of AI to actually build your own AI avatar. Now, I actually have a video on this channel that investigates the whole world of AI influencers. I'll put that in the card above if you're curious, and you guys can give that a watch. But in a nutshell, a lot of people use AI tools like Picasso AI, which specializes in generating ultra-realistic AI avatars. So you can basically buy some credits on Picasso, upload photos to help train it, and then build your own AI avatar and start posting content on social media. Now, this space is evolving really fast. Again, it is kind of taking over social media, so I'm very curious to see where it goes in the future. But this next weird AI side hustler is honestly way simpler, and I'm very surprised it's working, so let me share that with you guys right now. Alright guys, so the third weird AI side hustle I wanted to cover involves selling Pixar-style photos on Etsy, and I'm laughing because we're going back to Etsy again for this idea, and I'm honestly shocked that this is working for some side hustlers out there. But guys, just take a look at this one Etsy shop I found. This shop specializes in turning portraits and family photos into Pixar-style portraits, and with over 1,000 sales, it's turned into a pretty nice side hustle for whoever owns this shop. But here's the thing, you don't have to be a graphic designer to do this. You can actually just use AI tools like Skywork AI to once again transform photos into your desired output. Let me show you an example. I gave Skywork a photo of me and gave it this prompt. Please turn this portrait into a Pixar-style portrait, and in 30 seconds, this is what it generated. This is honestly so easy to do and took about 30 seconds to basically duplicate what this Etsy seller is already doing and getting sales with. And really, I think there's a massive lesson here. A ton of people still don't know how to use AI tools, or they're too scared or concerned to try them out themselves, so they're willing to pay people to do things that they would be able to do themselves in about 30 seconds if they just tried out different AI tools. But if you look at any technology adoption curve, there's always millions of people in the market who are late adopters or who never adopt something at all. This means this kind of simple side hustle will pretty much always exist, at least for the next couple of years, because there are always going to be people out there who aren't willing to try out the latest technologies, and this is where you can find a potential market and start a new side hustle. And again, you can scroll through Etsy and see all kinds of other sellers offering similar portrait or image transformation services into different artworks and styles. You can get creative, you can launch your own shop in an afternoon, and again, when you actually get sales, you can use a print-on-demand company like Gelato to fulfill things for you, so it is completely hands-off. Alright guys, and the fourth weird AI side hustle I wanted to cover involves selling AI agents, and this is one I've uncovered recently. I think it's super cool, and let me explain how it works because you probably haven't heard of this platform yet. And so as it turns out right now, there are people earning passive royalties by building and selling certain AI agents on different marketplaces. And one of the very best platforms for doing this is called MuleRun. So MuleRun is an AI agent marketplace where people can buy and sell agents for specific tasks. I'll scroll through the agent store here so you can get an idea of what's listed, but you can see there's agents for doing things like creating YouTube thumbnails, doing investment research, restoring old photos, resume optimization services, and visual try-on features for e-commerce stores. Now what's really cool is that you can join MuleRun as a creator 100% for free and then start building your own agents and list them for sale on the marketplace. When you make a sale, you keep most of the profits, and then there's just a revenue share arrangement with MuleRun in exchange for hosting your service on the marketplace. Now you might be wondering, do you have to know how to code to do this? Do you have to be a professional programmer? And thankfully the answer is no. You can actually build AI agents with MuleRun without knowing how to code. According to MuleRun, it supports no-code and low-code options like N8N, iframes, and other methods, so both non-coders and developers can actually build agents. And so if you get a good idea for an agent that might be useful for certain people or for certain industries, or if you're already using agents on other platforms like ChatGPT, you could try building them on MuleRun and selling them on the marketplace. And what's also cool is that MuleRun actually helps creators market their agents. And that's because MuleRun only makes money when its creators make money and actually generate sales, so it can be a win-win scenario. MuleRun also has an easy-to-use creator studio, so again, you can sign up for free, you can start playing around, and you can try building your own AI agents and selling them for some potential passive income. It's definitely a more niche idea, but I'll also link MuleRun down below if you guys want to check them out. Alright guys, and the fifth and final weird AI side hustle I wanted to cover involves doing AI UGC affiliate marketing. And this is another idea I've covered on this channel before a couple of times, but really the idea here is to start doing affiliate marketing by using UGC style advertisements that are generated 100% by AI. And this is similar to making AI influencers, except again, the idea here is to create content specifically for affiliate marketing with platforms like TikTok Shopping and Instagram Reels. And honestly, guys, the technology here is ramping up super fast, and it's amazing how much it has improved in just a few months from what you used to be able to do. In fact, I covered 2 platforms recently on this channel that are perfect for this. One is called VMake and the other one is called Bandy AI. Both of these tools are insanely powerful, and they let you make awesome UGC videos in a matter of minutes just by using text prompts and image references. And let me play you guys a few videos I made here quickly with VMake, just so you get an idea of how these videos look. Again, this just took minutes. It's honestly super impressive what these tools can do, and it's also way cheaper than hiring someone to make these videos for you, and way less time consuming than filming them all yourself. Now, you can also scroll through TikTok or Instagram and find tons of other examples of people using AI UGC content to generate sales. And again, just take a look at this AI profile I found called Olivia Brand. She's making lifestyle and affiliate content and growing a following, but she's 100% AI generated. And I mean, she's even appearing on podcasts, or what seem to be podcasts, which is absolutely insane. And of course, she's funneling a bunch of traffic to affiliate offers for the products that appear in her videos, so I know she's monetizing her audience. And really what I like about this idea is that it's fast, it's scalable, and you don't need any filming experience or even filming equipment to get started here. This is also a side hustle niche I'm expanding for my own businesses as an affiliate marketer. I'm starting to test out AI assets, AI UGC videos, and honestly, again, it's very fast, very scalable, and I'm excited to keep learning what the best tools are in this space. Now, I was just talking about affiliate marketing, but you could also use this kind of content to promote coaching offers or digital products or your own e-commerce operation. Again, the sky really is the limit, especially if you guys get creative. But anyways, guys, those are 5 weird and different AI side hustles that you could potentially try out to start making money in 2026 and beyond. And really, if there's one final takeaway here, it's that this space isn't going anywhere, and it's also a space that rewards people who get creative and think outside of the box a little bit. It is a space that's moving super fast, so if you want to stay up to date with the latest AI tools and tactics to make money, you can also subscribe, because I will be covering a lot more AI ideas moving forwards. But yeah, try out a few ideas, see what you think, and you guys can let me know down in the comments as well if there's other weird AI side hustles that people should check out. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.